This is my 2004 Lexus RX330. And in this video, I just want to show you how to replace a battery. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple here. This battery's too far gone, and I bought a Napa Legend here. This is 24F. So we're going to go ahead and get this removed. This is the negative. This is the positive. And just a rule of thumb, if you haven't replaced a battery before, negative is typically black, and then the positive is typically red. So start with black, end with black. So you're gonna remove the negative, remove the positive, and then you're gonna reinstall the positive, then reinstall the negative. So this is a 10 millimeter here. So we're gonna go ahead and get these removed, and then I'll show you the next steps. All right, now that we got the terminals off, we're gonna go ahead and take a 10 millimeter socket. Go ahead and get this removed and this removed as well. All right, so I got this one out here and I loosened this one. And once this one's loose enough, you can kind of take it and pull that out. So we're gonna set that to the side. Make sure you can keep everything in a spot that you won't lose it. So here we've got the battery ready to be removed. Now, some batteries are not gonna have a handle. Some are gonna have a strap kind of like this. This one has a little bit of handle here. So you need to muster up a little bit of strength to kind of get this pulled out, but it's really not too bad. So let's go ahead and get this one pulled out. Like that. Okay. Let me set that on the ground right there. Let's go ahead and get this one pulled up and put inside here. Let's get it situated and we'll throw everything back on. All right, so a couple things here. First off is a strap. I like to kind of just push this out of the way like that. And these little protectors on the terminals are gonna be there. So I just take needle nose pliers and get them off like that. I just set them to the side there. There. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this situated. Okay, so since this one has this like handle right over here, what I had to do is basically take these two apart. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this underneath like so, and then we'll go ahead and get this one reattached really quick. All right, so we got that on there. So we'll go ahead and just connect this one, get it lightly screwed in there, and get this situated. All right, I had to get a light, but as you can see, this is not, let's see if we get a better view there. You can see that it needs to be just underneath there, just kind of like that. So you can tighten it and kind of pull and just hold the battery in tight. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one, start getting this one threaded. Okay. All right, so this one took a little bit of work to kind of get it right to make sure it didn't unhook, but well, there, look, just keep it real. It just popped off again. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get that underneath one more time. All right, battery's in, battery's stable. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is get the positive back on, get the negative back on. All right, just like that, battery's in, it's all stable. Everything's good there. Now you know how to replace a battery on a Lexus RX330. Thanks for watching, y'all, enjoy.